Imagine working only a few hours a week, earning money even while you sleep, and traveling the world without waiting for retirement. Sounds impossible? In this book, Tim Ferriss shows how this is possible with smart choices, not hard work all the time. Today, you will learn how to escape the busy life trap and design your own freedom lifestyle. Many people think they must work 40 to 60 hours every week to be successful. They believe they must wait until age 60 or older to enjoy life. Tim Ferriss says this is not true. He introduces a new way of living called lifestyle design. This means you do not live life by default. Instead, you design your life based on freedom, time, and happiness. The first idea is eliminate. Stop doing unnecessary work. Many tasks are not important. We waste time on emails, meetings, and small tasks that do not help us grow. Ferriss says, focus only on what truly matters. The second idea is automate. Use tools and systems to do work for you. For example, you can use email filters, online tools, or hire people to handle simple jobs. This saves time and energy. The third idea is outsource. You do not need to do everything yourself. You can hire virtual assistants from other countries for low cost. They can help with tasks like research, emails, or online work. Ferriss also talks about creating income systems. Instead of working one job all day, build small systems that make money automatically. For example, online businesses, digital products, or freelancing systems. Another big idea is the mini retirement. Instead of waiting for old age to travel, take breaks during your life. Travel now, enjoy life now, and not only at the end of your career. He also explains fear setting. Many people do not take action because of fear. Ferriss teaches you to write down your fears, understand them, and see that most fears are not real dangers. The main message of the book is simple. You should not live only to work. You should work to live a free and happy life. If you change how you think about time, money, and work, you can build a life with more freedom than you ever imagined.